Hinday? Ikaw ba yan? Si Hinday Garnet ba ninyo yan, guys? Kuya, wang Hinday Garnet ay naka-cluster. Cluster eyelashes. Look at it. Nabili natin sa Shein, not sponsored. I love it. Magdala ako ng marami. Nag-order ako ng marami para madala po natin sa Pinas. Kaya para pagpa-picture ninyo, makaano kayo ba? Wow! Makasabi na naman kayo ng, ang ganda naman ni Hinday Garnet sa personal. Jak, jak, jak! Look at that, guys. Today, ang ganap po natin, sunduin natin si Bianan. Yes, of course, you go upstairs first. Kasi kung napanood niyo po ang vlog kahapon, siya sana ang magsundo sa amin. Kaso sabi ko, wag na siyang pumunta kaya nagluto ako ng nokos. Kabaho ng bahay, guys. Maya ako sa Bianan ko, kaya tayo nang susundo sa kanya. Tapos diretso tayo sa Batavia Stat. Laki na naman ang problema ko. Hindi ko na naman nahanap ang cellphone ko ba? Saan ko na naman yung nilagay? Sa sunod, ikwintas ko na talaga yun. Tingnan nyo saan siya. Hindi naman ito normal. Kanis, bakit nandyan ka? Baba na tayo. Dali na, mag-shoes ka na kay mag-couple tayo. This one for mama. The same shoes. Look. May nagtanong pala anong brand daw ito. New Balance po. 740. Ayan siya, guys. Kita nyo yan. 740. Ito yung binili ko kasi nasa sale po siya. 80 euros bili ko nito. Sa JD Sport. So, pupunta po tayo ng Batavia Stat today. Dalhin natin si Bianan. Kaya ang huling punta niya pa daw doon. Parang mga ano na din. 30 years ago. Ang huling punta niya. So, isama natin siya. Kasi bibili po kami ng sapatos para sa mister ko. Para madala po sa Pinas at sa Japan, guys. May magandang sapatos ang mister ko na comfy, no? Kaya alam nyo naman ang gusto niya, Skechers. So, magpunta tayo doon. Bring water, please. Kaya para yung ano ba, comfy talaga. Tapos bago pa yung last Skechers niya, ewan, parang katagal-tagal na yung Skechers niya, guys. May ano kasi sila doon, malaking store ng Skechers. Yung isang. Hoy! Natingin sa kanilang OOTD movie kay Kapogi mo for today's vlog. OOTD! Ano, we buy the bread.
Yeah.
Maybe you can ask Vika if she already had a lunch, then we can also buy bread for her. Pinabili na muna natin ang tinapay si Daniel po.
Mama, yung cake.
Ay, what did you do? Ano man yan? Kaya hindi pa ito sila nag-lunch. You want to eat now?
Yeah.
Pabili din ako ng
Can you
Yeah, well, you can eat now, baby love. Look what Nathan has.
Yeah.
Yes. Of course. Enjoy. Yummy?
Yeah.
Well.
Tomato.
And for you also. And for mama and for Oma. Kaganda ba ng ating ano? Sinundo. Your Oma is so beautiful. Look. Look at Oma. Look at Oma. Who is that? Who is that?
Oma.
You want banana, Vika?
Oh ja, ik wil zo meteen wel een banaantje. Maar kan nog wel hoor.
Yeah.
Hallo.
Hello.
How
Is
are
that
you?
good?
Hallo. Big.
Old man's dick.
Old man's dick.
Let's do old man's dick.
Ang Google ba, hindi niya mabasa ang ano, Dutch.
Stick.
Hoy, Diyos ko! Hindi
Wat een
naman
goede
napamilya
grap.
ito.
Nathan.
1 hour and 30 minutes later.
Dito na po tayo sa Batavia Stat. It was 40 years, Vika?
Yes,
Last time you were...
I think so.
Tingnan nyo.
Long time ago.
Long time ago.
When I was very young and pretty.
Yeah. You're still pretty.
And nice.
Wow.
Oh, lekker chocola.
Yeah, Batavia Stat.
Kan voor oma wel wat lekker chocola.
Chocolate. Paborito ni Oma Hisga. Last time we were here, Vika, was with Arnold and Garner.
Okay.
All the chocolates in the world. Ay, may pa-free pa sila. 28 euros. 75 for... Nabigyan pa sila. Tig-isang chocolate. Wow. Sarap. Like this, Vika. It's 28 euros.
Wat is het?
Dubai chocolate.
Oh.
May pa-Christmas tree na sila dito. Starbucks. Si Nathan, kagigising lang po. Lakad-lakad lang tayo dito guys ha. Kaya nakagala na naman kayo. Ano yan? What is that? Dado al gelato. Ay nala. Ang mister ko talaga pag makakita ng mga bra at panty, gusto niya talaga ako bilhan. Pang minanyak niya ba? Always. Sinatan, kagigising niya lang. Nakatulog siguro mga 12 minutes. Malapit na kami dito. Nandito po tayo sa Itala. Tingin-tingin tayo sa mga ganito guys. Kaya ang gusto ng biyanan ko. Wow, 150 euros. For this one, 150 euros. How much?
18.
Oh, yeah. It was 30 euros. May pa Christmas tree na po sila. Look, baby love. Cash bomb. En så grote cadeautjes daar. Wow.
Skechers.
Heel groot, ja.
Dito na tayo guys. Makabili na tayo talaga. Grabe, di habala itong sale, mahal. Dami nilang sale dito guys. Kaya siguro daming tao. Sunday today. Like for walking, mahal ha. The Ark. Which one was that? The one that we saw in Antwerp. 91 euros na lang siya. Galing siya sa 130. Diba? Hanapan natin siya, be. Anong kulay? Yun lang. Nawalaan tayo ng isa. Natanggal ang isa, guys.
You know, I like this one, but I don't really like this one.
Hindi kailangan to ng glue. I-ano lang po talaga. I-dikit lang. Natanggal. Nakatulog kasi
as
ako
a shoe, I like this one, but I don't like that this is orange.
Yeah. But you'll not see that way.
You will? Look.
But make sure, mahal, that it walks good because you will need that.
Yeah, well, I had this before with these things and it works very well. The problem is these will go down and then, you know, they will break and then it's not good anymore.
Yeah. Saan na yung maglola? Iniwan ko na doon si Daniel. Nawala man. Asan sila? Nandito na sila, oh. Kita ko na si Daniel visit. Oh! Nag-cartwheel naman. Ulit daw, one more time. Wow! Oh! Oh! He's already paying. Oh, nakita niya daw yung bata. Pwede niya din ba daw gawin? Hello, Pogi. Hanap tayo ng mahugasan ng kamay. Karumi na ng kamay, hawak-hawak dyan. Mag-ihi din tayo. So, maliliit na pancake. Benta po nila dito. What is this? Watch station. Hindi niya pa sinuot ang bago niyang ano. Mamaya, later.
Nee. Op de restaurant.
Of the restaurant? Masaya na ako. Hindi na ako ma-stress. May bagong sapatos na po ang mister ko. Kaya malapit na uwi natin, guys. Kunting bigas na lang ang ating kakainin. Pauwi na tayo ng Pilipinas. Lapit na din po ang Christmas. King Louis. Magtingin daw si Bianan ng coat. Ha?
Die van mannetje vind ik niet mooi.
Nee, vind je niet mooi? Kom maar, we gaan kijken. Ito yung mamahalin, guys. Nagpasok kami ni... Let's look for a while. Halika, samahan mo si mama. Dali na. Nakapasok na po kami dito ni mamang dati. Tingnan nyo ha, ito ha. How much for this one? Oh, not so bad. 55 na lang.
Waarom is dat heel boos?
Ay, natakot siya. Are you scared of that? May manikin dito. Bakit daw ito galit? Bakit daw ito galit, guys? Sabi ng anak ko. Hindi yan galit. Tingnan mo, halika. Hindi siya galit. With the makeup. Kapugi mo naman today, buyag-buyag. Just there. Sitting.
Nee, die badjas die moet ik niet zijn.
Yeah, natuurlijk.
What did you say? Looks like
Badjas.
bathrobe. Pag sure.
Look at it. Here, I'm serious. Wait. Here.
Look at it.
Look.
Look at it. Tingnan.
How is this not a bathrobe? This is a bathrobe.
Ja, maar die doe je niet om.
Mister ko.
Waarom zit hij er dan op?
Oh ja, you're Meron din daw dyan. Oh.
Ziet er in ieder geval beter uit.
Mas better daw ito, sabi ni Daniel.
Ik vind het nog steeds een badjas.
Ja, hè?
Ja.
But I like the other one more for the color. Maghanap din pala tayo guys kaya ang mga Pinay.
Nee,
Ang mga...
Ik weet al wat jij doet. Nee, dat gaan we niet doen.
Als je dat niet wil, dan moet je
Kukulitan ng mag-ina. Let's go there. Look guys, kumain tayo dyan nila mamang dati. Mexican restaurant, the salsa shop. Yeah, dito is better. You don't like inside? Bakit galit yung manikin? Hindi ba yung galit, uy? Ang Daniel, ginugulo niya ang nanay niya doon. Imbis magbili, sinasabihan niya na mukha daw bathrobe. Mahal! You want the sauce? Walang nadala ang nanay niya, oh. You're not buying, Rika? You don't like it? You don't like it? The one there? No.
It's too small.
Ah, it's too small daw.
Zo.
Yeah, the sauce daar, toch? We still have that, Mahal?
Yeah, we can buy that in the Albert Heijn now. The Albert Heijn XL has it.
Oh, okay.
We don't need to buy it here anymore.
Mama,
Oh.
mama, met
Dit is de
choco.
saus.
Die broodje met chocola wil ik.
Oh, die Munchkin?
Ja.
Okay, we will find that, okay? We will find a Dunkin' Donut. Yes?
Nee.
Mm.
Nee, de chocola. Die broodje opzij, die links en rechts is.
What is that now?
Een chocoladebrood die links en rechts is. Die chocolade in de top die links en rechts is.
Okay, hanapin natin yan. Saan yan siya?
Wat was dat?
Ha? Een muziek?
Ik vind dat te luid.
Ja, so loud eh.
Waarom?
Oh, beautiful. And this one, fries. All the fries in the world. Ano yung kanta mo? Bakit ka saya-saya mo? Ha? Ay sus. Ay sus, mag-hug pa dyan. Dali na. Wala na doon kayo mo. Bakit ka saya? Ay, so blay. He's overwhelmed. Nick and Nick.
Overwhelmed? With what?
I don't know.
Gewoon blij dat wij hier al...
Bago niyang sapatos. It was already like this when you came here because you already forgot.
Ja, I forgot.
Yeah, 40 years ha. Malayo din kasi to sa amin. Mga 1 hour and 30 minutes din po ang biyahe no. Itong anak ko. Grabe ang mga request niya. Can I eat McDonald's? Kain na daw siya ngayon. Pero parang McDo po tayo mamaya. No? Kasi hindi na po ako makapagluto mamaya guys. Late na tayong makauwi. Anong oras na ngayon? 3:30 na po. Profumo.
Jij bent
The Polo Ralph Lauren.
Oh ja.
Nice. Nice background. May background music pa talaga tayo.
Is your jas weer?
Pasok na naman si Bianan guys. Tingin-tingin lang good tayo. Dito na lang man tayo. May mga pa-sale na po sila. No, malapit na kasi ang Black Friday. Oh, I know where I want to go.
Where do you want to go, guys?
Michael Kors.
Oh, okay.
They have here. Diyan po yung Michael Kors daw. That one is the Michael Kors guys.
Expensive?
Oh, no, not so expensive. If they have discount. Hanap tayo baka may sale po sila. Galing po kami sa loob ng Michael Kors. Alam nyo nung napansin, ay may Coach din pala sila dito. Alam nyo nung napansin ko sa Michael Kors guys, kabigat ng mga bag nila. Kaya yung bigay sa akin ni Mamang, hindi ko na nagamit. Kaya parang yung bag pa lang, nag-abot na siya ng 1.5 kilos. Maganda sana ba? Pero sobrang bigat. Mahal, can I go to the couch? To the couch? There we go. With all the bags. Cannot afford. Ganda ng mga bag sa Coach guys. Grabe kamahal man. Hindi pa natin time para maganyan-ganyan. Afford man siya. Pero, ano ba? Wala siya sa budget. 'Di ba? Yung hindi pa siya kailangan. Bili ng mga guess ng mga ito na bag natin, guess. Punta po tayo sa Dunkin Donut kay gusto mag-munchkininatan. Dali, baba ka. Punta doon sa Dunkin. Look, what you want? Yeah. Now, which one? Which one for you?
Chocolate rainbow.
Galit ka?
The chocolate rainbow.
Chocolate rainbow? Oh.
Oh, wat is dat? Die ga ik opeten, geloof ik. Die ziet er zo lekker uit. Die wil oma wel hoor. Maar...
Yummy! Now, let's go! Gusto ko good sana talaga ng ganyan. Pero original kasi ito ba? Mahal masyado. Fresh Fabianan. May ganyan ako dati, pero natapon na. Kaya napangit kasi. Parang ganyan nga siya. Yeah, but these are very expensive. Like that, Rika, how much is that? Can you see? 276.
Ja, 311.
For that one. Yeah, 311. My gosh.
The outside price is €400.
Dobi. Kasarap naman ng pagkain mo.
Oh, dan kan je dat wel beter hier kopen.
Levi's. Ay, may Crocs din sila. Crocs.
Crocs?
Yeah.
Oh, do you like Crocs, Scarlett?
No, I have Crocs. I have Crocs.
Oh ja.
In the Philippines, Crocs are very big there.
Yeah.
Oh, oké.
Ganda oh. May bag na din good sila guys. Mahal. They also have a bag now. A bag.
Crocs bag.
Yeah. Marami tayong ganyan guys sa Pilipinas. Mga crocodile. Yun lang ang pinunta natin dito. Ang sapatos po ni Daniel. Ito naman Nike. Ubos na? Already gone?
Nee, his hand is just all chocolate.
Oh. Aiko.
Hier ga ik even kijken.
Okay, yeah, let's go.
Kan het niet?
Yeah. Tingin daw siya.
Nee, Geraldje.
Waarom?
What does he want?
He wants to go there, but he has a
Yeah.
donut. Je hebt nu de donut.
Hey, patingin ang mukha mo, be. Na na yan, oh. Puno na ng chocolate. Very good. Ganyan. Hindi kaya puro chocolate lang ang kainin. Andito na po ulit kami sa entrance. Alam nyo, kalaki-laki pa po nito. Pumasok sila sa The Body Shop. Wala na yung Body Shop sa amin, guys. Ewan na, bankrupt na din. Kaya wala masyadong bumibili. Malaki pa masyado itong Batavia Stat. Pero, hindi na masyado namin naikot. Kaya late na din po. What do you want to eat for dinner, my love? Whatever.
The big arch.
The big arch. Ay, yung sapatos na nabili niya. How much did you buy it? It's on sale, guys. It was on sale?
Yeah, it was on sale. From 110 for 76.
Oh, 76? Not bad. Bumili ata yun si Bianan. Nawala na yung nandun sa amin eh. Sarado na po sila. Doon pa naman siya palagi bumibili ng pang regalo. Sa The Body Shop. Tsaka sa Rituals. Pero yung Rituals, bukas pa rin po sila.
Makita ko ba?
You want to buy that? That's the calendar.
Huh?
The calendar that when you open it, there's a surprise. What is that, Pika? A soap?
No, body.
Body.
Surprise stuff.
Bilhin na natin yung chocolate para kay Oma. Gusto din daw bumili ni Daniel ng Dubai chocolate kaya nasa sale.
Nee, waar is die? Eindige met biertje.
Nee, niet met the beach. Malaki masyado yan. Ito ang atin.
Nee, de kleine.
Diyos ko, maghanap pa siya ng kanya.
De kleine beertje.
No, they don't have.
een kleine beertje.
Okay. Okay. Yun lang. Napromisan pa.
heeft het beloofd, hè?
Nag-promise pala ang
Kleine
lola.
beretjes. Maar dat moet oma het eerst betalen, hè?
You promised him, Vika.
Dat is heel grappig als je dat weer doet.
Ja, maar dan heb je gewoon, dat is wel leuk.
Halika na.
Kijk eens, heel vol.
Op sneeuwpop. Vind je de sneeuwpop leuker of
May
een
mga
beetje?
beer siya na chocolate pala.
Biertje.
Meron din pala silang paganito na Dubai chocolate. Pero tingnan nyo, 60 euros siya dati, 30 euros na lang ngayon. 1 kilo po siya.
Think about that one.
78 pieces. Ha?
I'm thinking about just getting that one.
You want that? Nag 1 kilo din si Bianan, si Daniel din daw. Mag 1 kilo din daw kami at saka yung Dubai chocolate. Which one? This one? Assorted?
They also have Sakura.
Sakura.
White chocolate with cherry blossom flavor.
Oh? Bayad na si Bianan. So which one do you want? You want the 1 kilo or not?
Yeah, sure. Which one? This one or this one?
Assorted.
Assorted. No,
Ay, the
I like
hazelnut.
assorted.
Hazelnut.
Hazelnut?
Yeah.
And pistache?
Bahala ka dira, uy. Meron din silang maliit. Oh, what did you find? Yeah, that's the Jingle Bell, Jingle Bell. So, yummy. Bumili siya yung maliit para matry niya, para mabili natin yung 1 kilo. Ha?
Well, oh, lekker ja.
Yeah? Then let's get that then. You think it's yummy?
Maar ik zit aan het denken hoor. Ik denk nu op de hazelnoot.
Oh, then go get the...
I think we'll get the honey. I like it.
Okay.
Dank u wel.
Oh, you're not eating it?
Maar we gaan nu nog niet gelijk opeten.
Ja,
Hou maar
not
mooi
yet,
de
ah.
beertjes er even in.
Ay,
Je
bago
zit er
pa
mooi
lang
voor het raam te kijken.
Ja.
Wauw.
Bago ka lang nagkain ng mga chocolate.
Kijk wat hij is inderdaad.
Oh! Oh-oh.
Ga je ze nog heel? Geeft niks, schat hoor. Carlo moest nog even in de tas doen, doet in de auto.
Nee, ga kijken.
Kijk hoe papa was.
Wait lang, i-wait natin si Papa.
Wat?
Kaswerte naman yan, binigyan man ni Oma ng ganyan. Uy! Wow!
Lekker biertjes.
Heerlijk.
Yummy beer.
Hij laat. Kijk inderdaad. Kijk.
Chocolate, tsaka sapatos ang nabili natin dito. Yun na yun. Uwi na tayo. Ay, picture.
You want to take this so I
Yeah,
can
picture
pay?
first, mahal. 1, 2, 3. Photo! Okay.
Okay.
Look at the trees. Look at the trees. Fall. Very beautiful. Saya ng anak ko, guys. Meron siyang pack-chocolate. Hindi din siya nagpahuli. Ang mag-ama ko, baka mag-pizza po yan sila or mag-McDo. Ako naman, tirahin natin yung natira na pusit sa bahay, guys. Daan kami ng McDonald's, guys. Kay si Nathan na iihik. Di ba naman, ininom niya kadami-daming tubig. Because you drink all the water, baby love. That is very healthy. Very good of you. There is the McDonald's. Oh, you see?
Wat voor McDonald's?
The McDonald's, but this is still far from our house.
Goedemiddag.
Bedankt ook. Zeg maar doei doei. Tot dinsdag.
Dinsdag.
Dito tayo mag
Wat gaat papa doen?
Si Papa magkuha ng binili ni Oma.
Wat?
And then we go home. And then we have a surprise.
Wat is dat?
No, not that one.
Wat is dat?
Oh, secret. Baka ma-spread.
Als wij thuis zijn? Yes.
Show us, be. Oh, tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, chocolate yan sa loob, guys.
Dat heb ik uitgekozen.
Babay na kay Oma.
Dat heb ik uitgekozen.
Yeah. Ipag natin yan siya. Diyan tayo dinner sa kanya kasi
Single bell,
magkarong.
single bell,
Magkarong.
single bell rock.
Oh,
Single bell rock. Single bell rock.
magkarol itong isa sa Tuesday, guys.
Single bell, single bell, single bells rock. Single bells rock. Single bells rock.
Mahal, what do you want to eat? Do you want to eat MCDO with him or you want me to make something like with kimchi rice and then the salmon and then the ingfish?
Oh, that's also nice.
But let's get him because he...
Single bell, single bell,
I'm
single
craving
bell
for-
rock.
for here too.
Single
you're
bells
craving, yeah,
rock.
then do
I
it.
said single bells rock.
Because I still have the ingfish, the last
Yeah.
one. Then I'll eat that.
Poopy rock. Poopy, 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 poopy.
Diyos ko, sige na lang. Poop! Hindi talaga namin sabihin na ano ba, doon siya kakain. Pero mag-ano lang, mag-take out lang po tayo. Sa bahay sila kakain. Magpaano tayo, magpa-drive-thru. Makita niya na lang doon. Tingnan natin ang reaction niya. Pero nawala talaga isa dito. Natanggal yung ating pa-cluster eyelashes.
Makikita sa house.
Not yet.
This is McDonald's and
Nee, dit is niet McDonald's.
Where are we going?
Dat is McDonald's, toch?
No, why are we...
Is dat McDonald's?
Why are we going here? Why are we going here?
Yay!
He's so happy, man.
The surprise McDonald's.
Nou,
The surprise factor.
wil
Sabi
jij,
ko kasi may surprise.
wil jij een kleine cheeseburger en kipnuggets of wil je een kleine cheeseburger in je Happy Meal? Kleine burger met patatjes of kleine burger met kipnuggets?
Kipnuggets.
Oké, dan kunnen we geen Happy Meal doen. 6 kipnuggets met
Burgers
barbecue
sila, guys. Ako hindi ako
en een Big
maano.
Arch.
Magano tayo magpusin.
Surprise McDonald's.
Yes. Now it's not secret anymore.
What?
It's not secret anymore because you know now.
Yes.
It's spread. Secret baka ma-spread.
McDonald's simple makamaslet.
Baka ma-spread.
Simple
If
makamaslet.
we get a snack bar that is a good snack bar
Yeah.
near our house.
Yeah, snack bar. Yung mga ano nila, guys. Mga
Not a
french
McDo,
fries.
just a snack bar.
What is a snack bar?
Snack bar is alle patatjes. En de
Ja, en
kiepen en
frikandel en
frikandel.
kroket en-
I love you and you love me.
Pakanta-kanta ka pa ka. Happy ka? Happy ka masyado today? Hmm?
Nice weather today.
Ah, nice weather today. Macdo sila, Macdo. Ito ang akin. Ginisang repolyo. Tapos nilagyan ko ng sauce ng aking... Lugada! Lugada! Pusit! Oh, mag-so guys na tayo. Dali, dali. Oh, mag-so guys na tayo. Dali na.
So guys, today, sumashing enjoy you. Happy tomorrow. Bye.
Bye-bye. Dali, magkain ka na.
Bye.
Magkain ka o hindi?
Yes.
Come here then. Bye, guys. Can I have one chicken nuggets?
Yeah.
Thank you.